The AAP leader Sanjay Singh slammed the Unified Pension Scheme, stating that the UPS is worse than the NPS. He added that under this, the 10% of the employee's salary will be deducted every month, and then 6 months' salary from the last 12 months will also be deducted of the service will be given to the employee. He said that a rule of 25 years of service has been made, and that one needs to be in service for 25 years at least to avail the pension service. He also said that in the paramilitary forces, most people retire after 20 years. They will get only rupees 10,000 as pension. He added that if you are saying that the UPS is similar to the OPS, then bring back the OPS, and UPS is a fraud. The government has launched the Unified Pension Scheme aimed at benefiting 23 lakh central government employees. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnav announced the launch, stating that the new scheme will be implemented from April 1st, 2025 next year. Now, Ashwini Vaishnav revealed that the UPS guarantees a minimum of pension of 10,000 rupees per month for employees who retire after completing at least 10 years of service.
देखिए, ये जो यूपीएस है ये एनपीएस से भी ज्यादा बदतर और खराब है। क्यों है ये मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं। पहली बात तो ये कि आप 10% कर्मचारियों की सैलरी का हिस्सा काटेंगे जब तक वो नौकरी करेगा। मान लीजिए 40 साल नौकरी कर रहा है तो 40 साल तक आप वो पैसा काटेंगे, और वो पैसा सरकार अपने पास रख लेगी। तो कौन सी पेंशन दे रहे हो भैया आप? कौन सी पेंशन दे रहे हैं आप? कर्मचारी का ही पैसा अपने पास रखकर ढिंडोरा पीट रहे हैं कि आप पेंशन दे रहे हैं। उसके बाद आप क्या कहते हैं कि अंतिम 1 साल की जो सैलरी होगी उसमें से 6 महीने की सैलरी एक मुश्त रिटायरमेंट के समय दे दी जाएगी। मान लीजिए 12 लाख है 1 साल की सैलरी, तो 6 लाख कर्मचारी को दे दी जाएगी।
All right, viewers, that was all the news of the nation and the world. We'll continue to track all the developments very closely. Till then, stay with us.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.